To create a new VR project in Unity, first launch the Unity Hub. Then, on the left-hand side of the application, select the Projects tab. Navigate to the top right corner of the application to select the New Project button. In the Projects template menu, select the VR Core template. If you do not have this template installed, click the Download Template button that appears in its place to install it. Since I already have this template installed, I'm ready to name my project. We will name our project My First VR Project. However, you can name your project whatever you would like. You have the option to choose where you want your project to be stored, but because I'm happy with the default location, I will leave this as is. Lastly, click the Create Project button in the bottom right corner of the application. This will create your project and launch the Unity editor.